Kubeflow Pipelines, Best Practices for Scaling ML Models. Discover how to efficiently scale machine learning models using Kubeflow, optimizing resources, and ensuring peak performance under increased loads.
Welcome to our deep dive into Kubeflow Pipelines, Best Practices for Scaling ML Models. Did you know that 87% of data scientists struggle with scaling their models effectively? In this video, we'll uncover why scaling is vital for machine learning success. You'll learn about the challenges faced when models grow, and how Kubeflow Pipelines can be your solution. From designing scalable architectures to optimizing resources, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned to discover how you can ensure your models perform seamlessly, no matter the load.
To kick off, let's explore what scalability means in the context of MLOps. Scalability refers to the ability of a machine learning model to handle increased loads without compromising performance. Key metrics include latency, throughput, and resource utilization. However, scaling ML models comes with challenges such as data bottlenecks, resource constraints, and maintaining accuracy. Effective scaling offers numerous benefits, such as improved model performance, reduced costs, and enhanced user experience. Consider tech giants like Netflix and Amazon, who have mastered scaling to provide seamless services to millions.
Next, let's delve into Kubeflow Pipelines and their pivotal role in model scaling. Kubeflow is an open-source platform that simplifies the deployment, scaling, and management of machine learning models. Unlike traditional methods, Kubeflow offers modularity, flexibility, and automation. Its components, such as pipelines, KF serving, and Kadib, facilitate scalable deployments. For instance, a leading fintech company leveraged Kubeflow to streamline its credit scoring models, efficiently handling millions of transactions daily. By embracing Kubeflow, they not only enhanced model performance but also reduced operational complexities.
Designing a scalable pipeline architecture is crucial for handling increased loads effectively. Key elements include modularity, as each component can be independently scaled. Integration with cloud services like AWS or Google Cloud enhances flexibility and resource allocation. Building with flexibility ensures that your architecture can adapt to changing needs without major overhauls. However, be wary of common pitfalls such as over-engineering or neglecting security. A balanced approach, focusing on simplicity and efficiency, can set the foundation for a robust, scalable pipeline architecture. Resource optimization is at the heart of scaling ML models. Efficient allocation ensures that your models have the necessary resources to perform optimally. Leveraging auto-scaling features in cloud platforms can dynamically adjust resources based on demand. This not only improves performance but also manages costs effectively. Striking a balance between cost and performance is vital, ensuring that you don't overspend while maintaining model efficiency. Tools like Prometheus and Grafana can help monitor resource usage, providing insights to refine your optimization strategies further. Load balancing is crucial for distributing workloads evenly across your system, preventing any single component from becoming a bottleneck. There are various types of load balancers, including hardware, software, and cloud-based solutions. In Kubeflow, implementing load balancing ensures that your models can handle varying loads without degradation in performance. Effective load balancing enhances reliability, reduces latency, and improves user satisfaction. Consider a healthcare provider who used load balancing to manage patient data analysis, ensuring quick and accurate results during peak times.
Monitoring model performance at scale is essential to ensure your models are meeting expectations. Key performance indicators, KPIs, such as accuracy, latency, and throughput should be continuously tracked. Tools like Grafana and Prometheus offer comprehensive monitoring and alerting capabilities. Real-time analytics provide insights into model behavior, allowing for immediate adjustments if needed. Continuous monitoring is not just about detecting issues but also about maintaining high performance levels proactively. Swiftly addressing any performance issues can prevent long-term impacts and ensure consistent user satisfaction. Scaling issues can be complex, but identifying common problems is the first step in resolving them. Common issues include resource bottlenecks, latency spikes, and data handling errors. Effective troubleshooting techniques involve systematic approaches, using logs and performance metrics to pinpoint issues. Documentation plays a vital role, helping teams learn from past challenges and avoiding repeat mistakes. Consider a tech startup that overcame scaling hurdles by refining their troubleshooting processes, leading to more efficient operations and better model performance.
Let's dive into some real-world case studies of successful scaling implementations. These stories highlight the strategies companies employed to scale their ML models effectively. From a leading e-commerce platform that optimized its recommendation engines to a logistics company that scaled delivery predictions, the lessons learned are invaluable. Key strategies included leveraging cloud resources, implementing robust monitoring, and maintaining flexibility in design. The impact of these scaling efforts was profound, leading to improved business outcomes and setting a foundation for future growth and innovation.
As we wrap up, let's revisit the key takeaways from today's video. We've explored the importance of scaling ML models, the role of Kubeflow pipelines, and strategies for designing scalable architectures. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are crucial in ML ops. We encourage you to start implementing these strategies in your projects and see the impact firsthand. Join our community discussions to share experiences and insights. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next.